afternoon. Back here at Fairly Handy. Welcome to our new project. We are going to be starting on renovating our fire pit. We've had progressively larger fire pits. This one is a little trashy. It did the job, but we'd like a much nicer look. So we're going to start by taking this one down, pulling off all the broken bricks, digging it out, and then you're going to see us progressively, well, you'll see.
Cut.
I'm Ted, and this is Jeff.
I'm Jeff, and this is Ted.
Should I set our names?
No, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
We just said it enough.
Shovels down. Hey, Froggy.
Yeah, I saw him when I was cutting them.
A lot of frogs. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Welcome down. I'm not wearing my work pants.
Oh, geez. Besides moving that stump, anything else we got going on?
Not today. I'm not moving a stump today either.
We're not?
No, it's too heavy.
Oh, all right. We good?
Yeah.
I think the shovel's in. All right, you want to, oh, yeah, wrap it up?
All right, we tilled this area, got as much debris out as we can for now without going through with the fine-tooth comb. I do have a rock sifter I was going to showcase in a DIY video one of these days, but I won't bring it out right now for this. Because there's a lot of particulate in here that doesn't matter how big it is, to be honest. Just get the big chunks out. But anyway, the next you'll see is us leveling this area out, marking it off and getting ready for the fire pit to be placed right there. Oh. There you go. Oh, kick tape measure. Yes.
Yeah,
See, if it didn't line up.
that's fine. It will. Yeah,
There you go.
we were off. Now we're on.
All right, we've staked out, sprayed out our where we need the fire pit to go, the outer circumference.
Close enough.
Close enough. Whatever doesn't fit, we can just put dirt back in where it needs to go.
Gonna be a big bar pit.
Yes. No. What are you doing?
Well, we don't care about level here as long as this is somewhat okay.
I know. I just want to see where we're at.
Check level at all points.
Every millimeter of this has got to be checked.
Sure.
For dead center where it is, it's perfectly level.
Steve, why don't you take pride in your job?
Stop talking. Stop doing a bit. There you go. Yeah.
You should turn the camera at it. It's too late though.
Well,
God.
you deserve that one.
God.
All I see is a red fountain coming up.
Yes.
Don't use the audio of that.
Daddy threw a ball over the mic.
We're good. I drank a little too fast. I was thirsty.
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
That's what happens when you have a stomach the size of a banana.
All right, it looks like we have our sub level, I guess we'll call it. I don't know what the hell to call it.
Everything's
yeah, it's level out as best as possible.
Ideally, when you're putting masonry down, you want to use crushed limestone as a base, and then put sand as your topper, and then put the bricks on top of that. We couldn't find crushed limestone, so we're just going to use pea gravel. If it was a real wall, I'd be concerned, but it's a fire pit, so I'm really not.
It's non-load bearing.
Yeah, fine.
So we're just gonna bust open some peas.
In New Orleans, we'll go to the nearest one in Mississippi.
You don't like this tip?
Ew.
Good nation. What do you think, Teddy? Did you make your own Dr. Pepper at home? You've done good, Teddy. I want you to.
Yes, take over.
Damn. Ready?
How level that is, Jeff?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Teddy's gone.
We've already gone all the way around.
You can see under the tree, Teddy.
My head's spinning.
Well, then go sit down.
Teddy's spinning.
Get another drink.
I'm out.
Okay, sand time.
It's working.
Just like in World War II.
Yeah. Like I said, we're building an airship in the Pacific. Look at that.
That's pretty good. All right, the next part of our project is mixing up a little bit of mortar at a time, slathering it on these bricks. Yep, the bricks of Steve's abs.
I don't have that. Too much fat.
We're gonna slather it on those bricks, and then lay it
yeah.
down on the make the ring.
Sorry.
Setting.
So I don't know if we're doing this right or not, but we're going to do it this way. We're putting each on the cross, we're putting them 42 out.
Shit.
And we're going to do the 45, 42 out. Then we're going to go down just so we know we're moving that way. We're not professionals in any way. Got it.
Possible.
That's good.
Yeah, it's possible it's not on center.
That's it.
I think the bottom layer, the smooth side should be down.
Smooth side should be down.
Yeah.
What I'm doing.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. I think you did it right.
Well, that's good.
And then the other layers, it doesn't really matter too much. But the top layer should be the smooth side up.
Yeah.
Good. There you go. That's it.
Let's make sure it's circular now.
It looks like a little bigger.
Game's loads.
Hey there. If you're still watching at this point, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I really appreciate your feedback.
Hit that notification bell as well.
Feel free to hit the notification bell as well if you want, but it's no big deal with me if you don't.
My hands hurt.
We're trying to grow the channel, so please, every subscribe, every like, every comment helps. Thank you.
Thank you.
To me. But it could be perfectly level, just how the lighting is.
The mortar will help too. I mean, it'll help even out some minor inconsistencies.
The house isn't built until it's built.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it's perfect.
Yeah.
You just slowly remove. Can you stop staring at my ass? It's very inappropriate.
You guys just started mortaring.
Yes. I've been mixing it for the last 10 minutes. I added a little bit too much water for. I had to bring over another bag.
It looks okay so far.
Which part?
So this started fast.
Yeah, you can help by bringing bricks over. Hey, welcome to another day of us working on the fire pit. We'll show you what we did on the first day. We finished most of it. I've got to finish working on the grout, or not grout, mortar. It's factory mortar. And then I'm going to put the top on these to give it a little lip, nice flat edge around. So my first step is I'm going to be mixing more mortar, and then I'm going to be laying a nice as level as I can surface around the top, and then putting a brick on there. And then after that, I'm going to be filling in these gaps as best I can. Then I might decide if I'm going to take out a brick or two to make some more airflow. But pretty much the goal for today is to beautify the ring in a nutshell. So I'll get to it. Next brick, please, sir. I beg of you.
I want time for cereal.
You have time. Almost there, guys. Almost there.
You need the rubber mallet in there. Something.
There we go. That's good. All right. What I'm gonna do next is I might add a little bit more water in there, just a smidge, so I can lay it over the top and it fills into the gaps. Or I won't. I might test it first.
Later. Bye.
Who? Oh God. There's mortar everywhere, all over everything. Well, I'll go ahead and put the top bricks on. I've put some mortar in between them. The next step for me is to let it dry. And then I'm gonna come back and remove all the excess that's hanging off that makes it look ugly. And then, like I said, this whole part of this project is the beauty. So. Hi, trying to do some finishing touches, trying to get this cleaned up nice, tuck pointed, and look, presentable.
I wasn't here for this.
Everything that's wrong is Steve's fault.
Thanks, Pete, for not being here.
I followed Steve's directions.
Nope.
Except for one thing.
Was it the direction that said treat it like grout?
Yes, so wash it off after.
Wash it off after you snack it in.
Yes. I definitely did that part. I didn't do that part. Just paint the top white to match the grout. Or mortar.
Fire pit, gonna get stained.
Exactly. It'll stain at the same rate as the mortar.
Sure.
Shoes?
You're not even wearing shoes, as usual. Stop wearing Crocs when we're working. You get shit all over and in your feet, and then you're trekking through the house. You're wearing the Crocs you walk around the house in.
No.
We know.
Yes. All right, we're done, guys.
Yep, totally. Only 17 more hours of work.
Oh.
You mean it? Really want, we can grind out. That's actually strong enough to grind the edges down to make it look even. That's what I was doing that.
We'll go in there and get the crap out of the joint.
Welcome back to Barely Handy. What are we doing now?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. My guess is we're filling in all the little cracks.
Crack hills, Josh. I'm ordering barehanded. Thank you.
Barely handed.
I'm barely handy.
Warm breeze. Easy bake for a fire to take hold.
Steve's stuck pointing on the outside to fill out the exterior gaps. I'm filling the inside with my fingers.
Nice
I like that
physical labor.
Nip and tuck, yes.
Knows a lot about tucking.
I don't want to use too much because Steve's doing what Steve's doing is a little more important, and I don't want to waste mortar on the ground pretty much.
Back to the ground.
Get it nice and wet.
Which part?
The part clumps you grab into the
The
hot.
nip or the tuck?
Okay.
All right. Sorry, guys. One day I'll get the POV view set up properly.
I don't like doing this.
Nobody likes tuck pointing, Steve. Nobody. Except for people that get paid a lot to do it for a living. I learned how to do this by watching the movie Ghost when I was a child. Isn't that what they did in the movie? I don't remember. Something about clay and pottery or something. I don't know. It's like the same thing, I guess.
Copyright music.
Yes. That's the Ghost music. Yes, that song. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you're not a boomer like me, I guess.
I had to watch that class in high school.
That movie.
Yeah. I don't know why.
I don't have that much left, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to cover every square inch. I'm close. It's a nice little skim coat around the entire inside of the fire pit. It's for factory, fire pit mortar. I'm tired, boss. We just need a couple final touches, I think, to clean it up a little bit more, and it needs a set. And I'll give you a final presentation of the fire pit now that it's completed. Well, we just showed you how we built our fire pit, and it's custom 7-foot diameter, side to side. And we learned a few things here and there about how to apply mortar and laying brick, and maybe in the future. This probably won't last forever, so we're gonna end up having to do it again, maybe a couple years. And stay tuned, or we'll be building a patio around this, a concrete patio, nice and beautiful patio. And make sure you share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Do you want to say anything?
We're barely handy.
No.
We're barely handy.
It looks great. I think it looks great.
Archaeologists will be able to see the handprints of the builders who made this themselves.
Yeah. All Jeff's handprints are going to be in there forever.
It's like claymation artists.
Well, you can see, as you look on the side of it, you can see where the person that was in here was screaming and clawing at the walls trying to get out.
Ah, indeed, yes.
You can see the finger grooves all along the edges.
It doesn't fall down when you kick it, so that's good, right?
That's already better than the last 3 fire pits we built.